What's up, guys? Alex Brothers here, back with another video. Today is my first video. I have streamed before, but today we're going to be playing some Fortnite. So, yeah. Should be pretty fun. Alright, so I probably should have started this way before Fortnite started. So, yeah. Okay, my computer's acting super funny. I think it's because I have some tabs open. Alright, there. Oh. Okay. I think we should be ready to go. So yeah, big shout out to my man Race Joey. If you guys don't know him, he's a YouTuber. Go make sure you give him a follower. Well, a subscribe. And make sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Let's try to get this video to 10 likes, guys. That'd be perfect for me. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel started, and yeah, I hope you guys should enjoy all these his content. Alright, so Fortnite should be hopefully loading. Hopefully. I may record tonight, but I'm gonna have to go pretty soon, so it's kind of gonna be a shorter video than normal. But yeah, and if you guys are wondering what laptop I use a HP with a custom controller and custom mics. And yeah, so sure, I got one game in this video. Alright, my FPS is not looking good, so we may have a little bit of lag. So yeah. Alright, so looks like we're raring to go. Don't forget to leave a comment if you guys have any suggestions to settings for your computers, and just tell me how your day's going and stuff like that. Alright, I'm gonna go tilted. If you guys have any suggestions on how to make your computer less laggy, please tell me. Please, please. Oh god. Why is this thing not? Alright,